When you make a podcast for your business, deep down you know you need that high-tempo energy intro that really grabs attention from the start. But here's the question. Have you ever considered using it beyond the podcast itself? Because that intro, that energy, that perfect moment, it's the single most powerful marketing tool you already have. And most people let it die within the episode itself. Think about it. Your editor has already done the hard work. Clipped the best sound bites, added music, built some momentum. That's your highlight reel that's designed to stop the scroll. But most people upload their podcast, tick that box, and simply move on. They don't realize they're sitting on a ready-made promotional clip that could easily drive traffic to the main episode. So here's what I do for my podcast clients. Every time we create an episode, we create a high-tempo intro. Music cuts, energy, sound design that immediately hooks you in. Then I export that portion as its own separate video. No extra effort, just one extra render. That short piece goes straight to LinkedIn and the caption does the work. A clear headline and maybe a short line of context. Oh, and a simple call to action. Full link to the episode in the comments. Now that one intro does two separate things. It opens the full episode and it acts as the trailer for it. And because it's native to LinkedIn, it's discoverable by people who wouldn't come across your podcast feed. Now that might sound obvious, and it is, but here's the real question. Are you actually doing that? Most creators think about repurposing, but very few people actually put it into their editing process. By turning your intro into its own promotional asset, you're not actually creating any extra work. You're just making smarter use of what you already have. That's the exact approach we take at Precision Edits. And if by any chance you're seeing a drop in performance on your videos on LinkedIn, there might be one simple fix that you haven't considered. Try this.